everybody, my name is Maeve and this is my scary assistant Eva, and today we are going to show you how to make some Halloween masks using things that you should have in your house. So we're going to make a witch's mask and we're going to make a devil's mask. So we have done a little bit of preparation. We have cut out the same shape in green card and red card, and the green is going to be for our witch and the red is going to be for our devil. They're both exactly the same shape. You could use paper plates. We've used paper plates to reinforce ours because our paper was very thin. You could just use paper plates and then you could paint them red or green depending on what you're going to make. It's up to you. And then we have also prepared some shapes. So we've cut out a witch's hat, we've cut out some horns for our devil, and also some ears for our devil. Again, you could just cut these out of bits of cardboard, what you have in the house, and paint them if that's easier. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is our witch. So we're going to take our green shape and we're going to draw some eyes onto it. But we want our eyes to be a little bit spooky, so we're going to put our eyes looking angrily kind of up at the corners. Now I'm just going to measure this on my assistant. Can you turn around please? So if one eye is here, how far should the other eye be? I'm going to put the other eye here to make sure that she can actually see through the mask. And then I think a grown-up should really cut these holes out. So you've got to carefully pierce your mask with the scissors.
Well, I just do the same with the devil.
And cut on the outside. And when you do the devil's eyes, but check that they're round about the same space for your eyes.
Okay.
So that it fits you okay. So for our nose, you could very simply cut out a green triangle and you could stick it on, but for full effect we have cut off the pointy bit from the inside of an egg carton and we are going to stick that on. So there's two ways that you can do this. You can just stick on the pointy bit if you have some good strong glue, or if you take the edge of the egg carton, it gives you this shape. You can see this is where the eggs would sit into, and when you push them together it makes a lovely nose. just having tidied up our mask so that it's ready to dry as much as we can. We have it on our shiny piece of card so that it will slide off easy tomorrow, and just sitting on a mould of the masking tape. And we're just going to set that over at the edge of the room to dry tonight, please. Thank you, nice and carefully.
And we let the mask dry overnight, and then we went over it with some Sharpie, gave the witch some warts and some like horrid eyelashes.
We'll show you some of the effects that we did. So we just used Sharpies, as my assistant said, and literally drew on and gave some extra wrinkles. And then I used a yellow as well, just to give it a little bit, make it look a little bit ill. And we just need to add on our eyebrows here, and I think she looks pretty mean. How does that look?
That looks very witchy.
And there's our finished piece, all dried and ready to go. You can also do the same effect but for the devil. So this is the same, we've used a paper plate, we've used the same shape, but we've used red card. And then we've done the same thing for the texture of our skin. We used red tissue paper, we built up our cheeks, and the horns are made in exactly the same way as the nose is. We just scrumpled up newspaper, twisted it, wrapped it in the tape, in paper tape, and then put purple, because that's what we had, we didn't have any black. Put purple or black all the way around, or brown, whatever colour you happen to have. Or just do it in newspaper and paint over the top. It's absolutely up to you. The ears are just card stuck on, and you can build them up as much as you want. We didn't think that it needed too much. And then again, just when it's all dry, then you can finish it off with another Sharpie.
You want to put it on the witch and I can put it on the devil?
That's perfect.
And then you should have this. So this is the devil and this is the witch.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Have a spooky Halloween.
Hope you enjoy.
So thank you for joining us. I hope you find these really useful, and I can't wait to see what you've made. Show us some of your results.